Hey party people, how you doodling? Join us this week as we are travelling around in the cute, cosy beach town of Itacaré. Come and see what we get up to as we go exploring. Bom dia, alegria.
Good morning. Bom dia. So we arrived yesterday in Itacaré, which is about 8 hours away from Porto Seguro, though it took us 9 hours. But it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's like going through Teletubby land, eh?
It was very green and sort of hilly. It's incredible, beautiful scenery. So we didn't see much because we came quite late at night, but it looks idyllic here.
Yeah, it's really nice. We're off to the beach first thing in the morning, had some breakfast.
Yeah.
Don't often get, but had some breakfast, and now we're going to go and check out the beach here. Seems there's a lot of surfers, a lot of people with surfboards, so yeah, let's go and check it out.
We've seen quite a few surfers, so Praia do Resende is where it's at now. Let's see.
We're still in the state of Bahia. Itacaré is about 250 kilometers south of Salvador, and it's seen as a surfer's paradise, so we came to check it out.
Oh, I can barely open my eyes.
This place is beautiful. It's really just nature. So many giant palm trees. I think that's the first thing that hits you when you come to this beach. And it's early morning as well. We came here yesterday, and a lot of families. I know it was Sunday, but this is Monday morning, and properly nice and chill. So I can't wait to spend a bit of time exploring with you.
Early morning sun, as you know, is the best. Get in there.
Itacaré is a small coastal town with big personality. The beaches to the right of the peninsula are quite unique in that they're small and naturally separated. They each have a distinctive characteristics which will suit different types of taste. Hi people, so yeah, Pat's gone off for a little bit of sunbathing. I thought I'd go for a little trek and a walk. This beach is incredible. It's like there's loads of, it's like it's built with lots of rocks going into the ocean. Really kind of like nice natural kind of vibes, and right behind me you can see there's another beach. So there's altogether I think about 4 or 5 beaches all together, but all separated by like vast rocks coming out into the ocean. It's very pretty, and here it's just nice natural nature and not a lot of people out. It's Monday morning. And I love going exploring, just going walking. I think you can do that here. So hopefully do a bit of trekking, do a bit of exercising as well, which would be nice. We're moving into a new accommodation today as well, which would be nice. Only stayed last night. And yeah, so it'd be quite nice to go and find out about this new area, see what the little shops are like, see what the vibe's like, see what there is to do as well. And yeah, it looks really pretty. So loving this state of Bahia. Thing after going on this walk I really like, and it's just that everything's untouched. It's like literally little bits of rock behind me and loads of palm trees, loads of nature, and it's just really lovely to know that nothing's going to get built there. It's going to stay this way, and it's just, that's what I love about this state. Everything is just pure proper nature, and it's not about building big hotels and things like that. It's a beautiful area, and just so many birds in the trees here. It is absolutely incredible. I love this kind of place. I don't like the beach bars and that, I know that now. And to be surrounded by nature like this place is absolutely incredible. What a lovely place. Oh, them palm trees. And down into the nice beach over there. Ah, this is lovely. I love this kind of like natural peace and quiet, not a lot of people. And really loving this beach. So I'm going to go and try and find out this other beach over here now, which I think I'm going to get my flip-flops for because the rocks look pretty sharp. So I'm going to leave Pat to do a bit of sunbathing, and I'm going to do a bit of exploring. Let's go.
Okay, so this place is absolutely stunning. Been lying in the sun for a while, trying to digest my breakfast while Phil's gone out to fly his drone, but these views here are magnificent.
the white sand is like cornstarch to step on. And the coconut trees behind us, the palm trees, really make the scenery just beautiful. And that's a small beach. I think the other ones are all quite small as well. So yeah, Itacaré, my new favorite place in Bahia.
If there's any place that reminds me of Bali, this is it. Motorbikes with couples on them, no helmets, surfboards. This is just the
You're
place.
right, yeah.
Crazy, though.
Yeah. So we just stayed for one night in our hotel. It was okay. It had nice breakfast. But now we're off, like Phil said, to an Airbnb because we really enjoy the Airbnb vibe. It's like being at a home in a brand new place each time. So let's see, it's only 10 minutes away because Itacaré is very small.
And also it's got a hammock and somewhere to cook. Can't wait.
Can't go wrong.
So we're walking there and Patch advised me that the lady on the Airbnb just said, yeah, don't worry, the key's under the mat. I love the way the things roll here. There's no like locks and keys and stuff. Just put a key under the mat. Let yourself in, you'll be fine. So let's see how it goes.
In Brazil, we have come to prefer staying in Airbnbs over hotels, as we enjoy cooking from time to time and often get a garden or outside space to enjoy.
How you feeling, Pat?
Bom dia! I am feeling okay. We woke up really early today to come to this other beach called Praia da Concha. And Phil's been doing some running, I've been doing some meditating. There's almost no one here. It's really nice.
It's very pretty here, isn't it? Look, check out all the waves. Really nice and still.
But there are no waves. This is more bathing beach
Yeah, it's
than
lovely.
the other one.
And then if you can walk, some people walk across this to the other beach over there. I think when the tide's out. We might try that later on this afternoon. Hey people, so me and Pat off to the beach, and this beach just reminds me of Thailand because there's like really small lapping waves and it's just for bathing, I think. So really happy we found this, and it's just by chance it's literally about 4 minutes walk from where we're staying.
Yes, it is lovely. It's been having a really nice morning, enjoying the good rays, and now I'm trying to find Phil coconuts.
Yeah, let's go. Agua de coco, coming in. Hello. Learned a new phrase today, and it is "Eu sou rato de praia," which pretty much means I'm a beach bum, and I love it. It's been a long, lovely morning, eh? It's a really lovely beach though. Let's come back later, a bit of sunset, and yeah, enjoy this beautiful beach.
It's coconut time.
Yeah.
The town is filled with cobblestone streets, cute artsy shops and lots of restaurants offering traditional foods from Bahia like moqueca and a lot of fish. Buskers fill the streets with bossa nova, which is our favorite Brazilian music, making the night come to light in a very romantic and laid-back vibe.
Super happy with my brand new flippers. Check them out. Right, let's get you something. Hey, it's your boys, Raver among you, Raver girl. We're going to spend the last day off to the beach this morning to soak up some rays because it's our last day. Very sad about leaving. This place has been awesome.
There's more to do than just laying by the beach. Itacaré sits right on the edge of the Atlantic rainforest, which means you can do hikes and trails if you can brave the heat. In our case, we decided to visit a waterfall, which you will see next week.
It is our last night in Itacaré. We had some caipirinhas, a little moqueca, and tomorrow we're off ski. We enjoyed our time here very much. And yeah, it's been nothing but blue sky here.
The last night, Pat.
Last night, one caipirinha in. See how the night goes.
Last night here tonight. Wearing our shirt, me and Patty. So yeah, I'm gonna have a steak tonight. I haven't tried steak here before. Still really want to go to a churrascaria to try that, or to try all the meats anyway. Maybe next time. But yeah, it's been a great stay. It's going to be sad to leave this place. It's been really good. And tomorrow we go somewhere we both have never heard of, and I only found this place on TikTok. So this is going to be pretty crazy. But yeah, really cool night, and have some caipirinhas and some food. Pat's got a vegan moqueca. I've got some meat. Let's have it. I hope you're hungry. Look at that flipping away, Pat.
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed Itacaré. We definitely did. Join us next time as we continue to explore the beautiful state of Bahia.